YouTube, how you doing? This is Joe over at Allen Eds. Just got done doing an X009-GM. So originally, if you're just hooking it up using the Maestro piece, and if with an OEM camera, and you push the camera button, nothing's gonna happen. You're gonna get a black screen. Why? Because the factory camera is not getting 12 volts with the ignition on. It only gets 12 volts when you're in reverse. So I was able to put some information together from other parts that exist on the market, and there is basically a blue wire in this top left harness, the second pin, and I kind of intercepted it somewhere in between. You need to give 12 volts ignition to that blue wire. Basically what that's going to do is keep the factory camera on whenever the ignition is on. I even found an ignition signal right here on a few empty pins, the bottom left corner. I always like to fuse it with like a little 7 amp fuse, but we're basically sending 12 volts to that blue wire every time the ignition is on, so we can force the camera on an Alpine X009-GM on a 2011 GMC Sierra Denali. If you got any questions, call me 310-827-8121.